Assalamualaikum and hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I've just realized that I haven't posted any content, any videos on my YouTube channel for 2 months now, and it really touched my heart knowing that most of you are actually concerned about my well-being, my whereabouts, asking whether I'm fine or not. I'm actually totally fine. I'm okay. It's just that I'm having difficulty managing my time nowadays as I have a very packed schedule, I would say. But thank you so much for being on my channel. Thank you so much for being so patient, waiting for my new videos to be posted. I mean, I can never thank you enough for all the love and support you have taught me. Thank you so much. May Allah SWT repay all your kindness, InshaAllah. Anyway, probably you can tell from the title, in this video I'm going to be sharing few hijab styles using tudung bawal or square scarf from Scarves. I'm going to share their link in the description box below. Make sure to check their Instagram out. This is actually one of the square scarves that I got from them. As you can see, it's very cute. Ada bunga-bunga like this. And honestly speaking, before this, I was very skeptical when it comes to tudung bawal because according to my very own experience, tudung bawals are the hardest hijabs ever to be maintained. You know, even macam kadang-kadang the awning susah sangat untuk kita tegakkan ataupun apa. But both of tudung bawals that I got from them are very easy to be maintained. Even the awning is, see, as you can see, it's very easy. The material bukannya macam yang tudung kangaroo biasa, because tudung kangaroo yang bawal biasa tu sometimes it tends to be very fragile. Your awning pun dia terus macam kembung-kembung, stuff like that. But this one right here, I dah buat sana sini, I bergerak sana sini kan, masih maintain, masih senang untuk dijaga. If you don't believe me, never mind, that's okay. Let's just watch this video together. And if you are like me, used to be very skeptical with tudung bawal, then I think this video right here is a sign for you to start changing your perception regarding to tudung bawal. This video we are going to see whether saya cakap kosong or betul-betul tudung bawal ni senang. Okay, I think that's all. Maybe semua pun dah tak sabar nak tengok kan. Okay, so without any further ado, let's just jump into the video. Bye bye everyone.